Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Dentrix Ascend, which is an innovative approach for the dental practices. We are going to talk about the pricing plans, also community. We can talk about the program itself and how to get into it. So, what is Dentrix Ascend? It's a dental software that helps dentists spend less time on managing their practice and more time caring for patients. The software offers a smarter and more natural interface that is easy to learn and work upon. It improves users' efficiency by allowing them to get access to patients' information and create customized workflows. Dentrix comes with a predictive problem-solving feature, which is called Goals, Problems and Solutions. With this feature, dentists can easily identify tasks that need their immediate attention and find relevant solutions to proceed with as well. Dentrix can also be depended upon to streamline billing and payments procedures in an efficient manner, thus enabling users to receive payments online and generate e-statements as per convenience. Moreover, the software also allows patients to view and pay balances accordingly and print the receipts on their own from anywhere at any time. Dentists can deliver high-quality dental images to their patients and also save these data for patients' records, facilitating insurance claims. It's not very well suited for individuals or small businesses, but more likely medium or large. Small businesses can also take part in actually working with Dentrix Ascend, but I would say it's focused towards the more developed projects. You can run it in your web browser without any problems, and I would say is one of the better tools or softwares for dental practices. So Dentrix actually is not providing free trial. They are demo based. So when you want to get in touch or get into Dentrix, you have to request a demo. This demo, by clicking on them, will actually require you to put your first name, your last name, email address, phone number, zip code, and why you are contacting them. That you'll be filled into the brackets, and you should get your Dentrix quite soon. They are not providing the option of immediate free trial where you just give them your information or just the email and you will get the free trial for 7 or 14 or maybe 30 days. So first you have to go and ask them how to purchase Dentrix. You can either call them or you can subscribe and you will get the quotation. Dentrix is not providing any type of budgets or let's say brackets for people that really want just some to buy it straight away. First of all, I strongly recommend you to try it out in their demo option, and then you can get the quotation if you like it, and it's pretty intuitive. Then you don't have to call anywhere, you just subscribe basically to Dentrix. Here in products, you can check out all their stuff that they're offering, all the features. Dentrix Canada, Mobile Practice Advisor, many more, e-claims, Insurance Manager, So you don't have to actually worry about some kind of inconveniences. Integrated products, which we are obviously very curious about. We have Dentrix Connected, Marketplace, Developer Program, and Henry Schein Partners. Let's go with Marketplace. For apps like these, it's very, very important for them to actually perform any kinds of integrations, for example, with your email or calendars. So that's very nice. Okay, we need to get rid of the solution, the Marketplace. Okay, solutions. As you can see, you have a plenty of time to check them out. Training, you can book in-office training, resource center, or online trainings as well. And also, I would say that their website is pretty easy to read, and it's not a problem for anyone to navigate around. There are just two very important stuff to click on, and that's a request a demo or how to purchase once you request a demo. With demo, it's pretty straightforward. You just fill out the blanks and you will get a demo in no time. We already asked for it and actually waiting for approval, so more videos will come from Dentrix, so you see how you can work in it or how efficient you can become. Up until then, thank you guys for watching, have a nice day and see you soon. Goodbye.